California Assembly Bill 2143 mandates prevailing wage rates for construction workers on large-scale solar projects. Effective January 1, 2024, this law impacts all public works projects under specific criteria. So, what does AB 2143 cover? It applies to non-residential solar systems over 15 kilowatts connected under net energy metering agreements. Think commercial buildings, schools, and government facilities. If you're a solar contractor in this space, you'll need to recalibrate your budget and be transparent with project owners about cost implications. But what's exempt? Residential solar projects under 15 kilowatts, single-family dwellings, and smaller multifamily units. Now let's talk prevailing wages. The California Department of Industrial Relations sets these rates based on job classification, expertise, and local conditions. Upholding fair compensation fosters trust and boosts your reputation. Concerned about costs? Many established solar companies already offer competitive wages, so the impact may not be as dramatic. Labor costs are often a smaller fraction of the overall budget, especially in larger projects. Meeting AB 2143 demands isn't just about compliance, it's an opportunity. Openly communicate with project owners, maintain meticulous records, and use digital tools for payroll accuracy. Seek professional advice when in doubt. AB 2143 is reshaping the solar industry. By understanding its complexities, you can contribute to a California powered by fair wages and sunshine. To learn more, contact ABC SoCal.